Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a step-by-step guide how to install WordPress in Hostinger. So this is an easy process. Anyone can do it without any technical knowledge. Just check out my full video. I will show you a step-by-step guide. First, log into your Hostinger control panel by using hpnl.hostinger.com. Once logged in, you will see this dashboard. So this is the website. If you go to your website, you will see your website here. First, you need to add a website. If you have registered your domain in Hostinger, then your website will be automatically without any NS update. So if you have purchased your domain outside Hostinger, then you need to update a NS server. So I will create that part in a different video. For this moment, let's see. This is a completely new domain. You can see besthotelsinIndia.com, and it's a completely new domain. No WordPress is there, and I will show you how to install WordPress. So first go to website, then click on your domain. It will show you the blank website. Then click on the dashboard. Okay. In the dashboard, you will see all these details of your website here. In the left hand side, you will see an option called website. Then click on it. Then click on auto installer. Then select WordPress. Here it will ask you the website title. Let me put best hotels in India. Let me put a hotel as a username, hotel admin, and I will put a password for that. Make sure you are putting your administrator email if you have a different email. Then you need to go to your advanced section here. You will leave it as it is blank because we want to keep our main domain as it is. And for database, always create a new database. It is automatically by default is created, and for database password you also need to create a password for that. Once it is done, then click on next. Then everything is selected as per the needed, and here you can select update only minor version. This is the recommended. You can select this one, then select install. It will take few minutes, then our new WordPress site will be created. Let's wait a few seconds more. Cool. Now it is created. You can see our new website has been created here. Here it will show you some plugins to install, but we don't need it. We can do it directly in our WordPress admin. Now just go to admin panel to log in to your WordPress. This is our previous WordPress site. You can see now installing WordPress. You can see this is the WordPress dashboard, and if I will go to the website, you can see this is the default thing. This is the desktop. This is the dashboard. Let me log out. To log into your website, you have two options. First, go to your Hostinger, then log in and go to admin panel. Click on admin panel. It will open your WordPress dashboard. Otherwise, just type your domain, then write wp login php, then put enter. Then it will ask you username and password that we put while installing our WordPress previously. Let me put the username I have created previously. So this is how you will log into WordPress directly. So here we can build our new website. That's it. You've successfully installed WordPress on your Hostinger account and learned how to log into your admin panel. Now you can start building your beautiful website. Feel free to check out the rest of my channel for more helpful tutorials on customizing your WordPress site. Thanks for watching.